How did nobody stop this kitty flattening his friend?
The comments on this video wrote themselves. Just look at F177861492916993. That kitten is out. Then F177861492.
NANI?!
This cannot be real life, this cat.
Honestly, same. I relate to this on a personal level. Look at F1778614881374. That bowl is way too empty. But then F177861488142886 happens, and it is a kibble mountain. That cat in the suit on F177861488151168 is definitely the CEO of.
Bisa dicampur dengan makanan basah untuk memberikan kesehatan yang maksimal. Dapatkan 1 kilogram ini cuma 90 ribuan aja. Sikot sekarang.
We are all witnessing history. This orange legend has reached peak relaxation. Look at those curled paws in F177861488133305 JPG. He is officially too busy for Monday. This cat has more attitude than a teenager with a broken phone. Stay cozy.
I'm still tired.
Three seconds in and I already knew this would end badly. Look at that tiny kitten in F1778614881182.jpg picking a fight with a giant fluff ball. In F1778614881338.
تعالي يا ماما يا روحي. يا روحي بصي بقى مدة. يا لهوي وقعت في حالي. عايزة تتعالج يا روحي.
I wish that I could bake a cake made out of rainbows and smiles and we'd all eat and be happy.
She doesn't even go here!
5 million views later and it still gets me. Look at the focus in F177861488139997.jpg. Pure dramatic genius.
Kenapa dia? Jalan.
How long was the planning phase for this? 0 seconds? This kitten is treating yoga like a high-stakes wrestling match. Just look at F177861488111716. Those toes never stood a chance.
And you will see him
Pilates?
a little bit. He's
More like Pilates.
Pilates cat.
Stay limber and watch your ankles.
Gently start turning the upper body, let the hips go with that. So gently taking it through that movement. He likes to be with people. He likes to be basically sitting on top of us most of the time. So it's either side. And he might try to nip my toes. He's following my foot and he's playing. Here we go, little boy. And taking the other foot. They say never work with children and animals. Just lift your toes up to the ceiling. Lift your toes up. He's licking my toes. And then from there, as you lift your toes up, the arch of your foot comes up. Now, as you do that, keep the arch of the foot lifted and then just place the feet down. We're going to do our stretching now, and Dennis has woken up, so he might well be joining us for our stretches, and he's very good at stretching. So we're going to stretch, do a full body stretch first. So come on, Dennis, let's do a full body stretch. And he might well join in on this. So from there, you're going to take the arms, just lengthen the arms away, lengthen the legs away. Now, if you've got problems through the back, then just bend the knees up slightly. And then from that position, gently, pelvis in its neutral position. Oh, he's all excited now. And then from there, gently ease the leg. Now moving the leg back in this position, but I hold the pelvis in position. Bring the elbows down towards the floor and holding it there. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Oh, lovely, aren't you? Hello, young cat. Take a breath in, breathe out. So this is our Dennis. And hopefully he's not chewing my block. My block has actually got claw marks in it from Dennis chewing on it. He might go for my band, I'm not sure. I'm going to just curl my band up into my hand because he can see that dingly dangling. You can see he's going, oh, I want to play. So take the arms out to the side and breathe out as we rotate. Lie yourself down. Come into a laying position. Hello, you boy. Oh, I haven't seen you. He's going out now, is our little kitten, so I'm not sure how this is going to work. Can I lay down, Dennis? Can I? Oh, yes, I can. Hello, boy. Hello, sweetheart. So we're going to just lengthen the body. Take it to that full body stretch. Oh, that just feels so lovely. Hello, little boy. Hello. I've been walked all over. Hello, sweetheart. Hello, darling. So enjoy that stretch, and if you've got a little pet with you, then give your pet a little cuddle. So have to lengthen through the spine in order to do that. Hello, boy. So I'm lengthening up through the spine. Oh, it's like having a wraparound cat. So, or I can take the foot across the knee. So several options there. And I'm just going to pull these up because the little boy is on the wander and he might be after my band because he does like a good thing that dingly dangles. Actually, you will have heard that on the mic because he came really close to the mic then. So you would just got his super purr on the mic. It sounds so lovely. Arms back and gently press back. So we control all of the muscles through here, and I do this 11 times, just pressing the arms back. And I don't know about you, but I'm getting quite warm. I'm in an elf outfit. Dennis, where's your dignity? And 10 ladies leaping. How's this going to work? You can write it, could you? Hello, Dennis. Or what you can do is not breathe out for quite as long. So you breathe in just for a little bit. Hello, Dennis. You're going to come and say hello. Hello, darling. So I want you to take a breath in and then breathe out. Now we're going to start adding some numbers to this breath. Dennis, how? No, you couldn't write it, could you? Just relax there, Dennis. I'm going to sit here really quietly and hopefully he'll calm down. There he goes. He needs to do his relaxing breathing. Now we're going to take a breath in for 2. So breath in, 1 and 2. And then we're going to breathe out for 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Breathe in for 2. 1 and 2. Dennis, no. Breathe out for 2, 3. Excuse me, sorry. Take a breath in for 2. 1 and 2. Breathe out for 3.
Tolong adopsi, Mak. Ini nggak makan ya? Tulang ini ya. Adopsi apa?
Naik ya.
At what point do you reconsider your life choices? This pup is treating a random rope like a high-stakes laser security system. He's doing a full tactical crawl just to reach his dinner. Someone give this dog an Oscar for.
The chaos starts immediately and does not stop. Look at these mirror antics in F177861488112666.jpg. That orange cat in F177861488125543.jpg is doing yoga or a crime.
What's the leg doing?
F177861488141119.jpg is basically a feline jack in the box. Gravity is clearly just a suggestion today. Stay.
Ini kucingnya jinak banget guys. Namanya si kucing saya kasih merek di telinganya biar nggak hilang. Tuh kan dikasih. Oke, ini jinak tuh.
With that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Kita mainnya ya Pi, yang akur sama si Oyen. Nah ini Pi, kucingku sudah bangun tidur sore. Dan ini si Oyen, kucing tetanggaku yang memang dibebas liarkan, nggak pernah dikurung. Kalau kucingku semuanya aku kasih main itu sehari 2 kali, pagi hari dan sore hari. Dan inilah suasana tempat aku tinggal ya. Kalau sore hari itu kucing bebas berkeliaran, mereka pada main. Kebetulan Yupi sudah bangun tidur dan ini Molly juga bangun tidur. Mereka biasanya main. Hati-hati Mol, banyak motor. Lihat-lihat jalannya loh. Ya, Molly itu bangun tidur sore langsung main. Tapi sebelumnya aku kasih makan dulu biar dia itu kenyang. Molly ngapain? Mereka sedang main, asik main tuh. Molly itu nggak akur sama kucing kampung. Kalau sama kucing yang ras dia akur. Tapi kalau sama kampung dia bisa berantem. Jadi harus aku liatin. Takutnya dia berantem. Kucingku semua itu nggak akur sama kucing kampung ya. Jadi aku suka ngawasi mereka kalau main sore-sore kayak begini. Kan banyak kucing keliaran ya. Molly, di situ aja jangan kemana-mana ya. Masih ngantuk sih. Tuh, ini Messi yang lagi di bawah pohon. Nih, di depan rumah tetanggaku. Tuh, Yupi nyamperin lagi. Mau ngapain, Pi? Ikut main di sini. Tuh Abang Moli di atas tuh, di drum ya. Jangan, Pi, jangan diajak berantem, kasihan. Tuh. Jangan tengah jalan, Pi. Nanti ada mobil, ada motor. Ini jalan gang ya, bukan jalan raya besar. Jadi ya masih aman-aman aja. Kalau komplek rumahku itu biasanya mereka kucing-kucing itu bisa bebas main ya. Tidak ada yang menjahati mereka, alhamdulillah. Mereka main.
Did they know we were all going to see this? Look at this tiny F1778614918516 fluff. Here's judging your life choices. Stay.